We're getting the angles, bro.
My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know.
Keep the drip.
They no longer about.
Oh, sure. What is good, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you're new here, my name is Chris. We do Mark 7 GTI content. We're building my car on the channel here. We do modification shit, go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, I highly encourage you to go down there, hit that subscribe button right there, and we're on that road to 10K subscribers. I'm super hyped. We hit 1,000 like a couple weeks ago. So I'm filming this before, or wait, sorry, I'm filming this after I already filmed all day. If shit's like out of balance, I'm sorry. I'm trying to like balance filming 24/7 for you guys. So in today's video, we go and my friend Cole with the STI was gracious enough to let me rip his STI and just get my feel for it, see what I thought about it. We got a little, just threw the GoPro in the car, some raw footy, nothing crazy. It was a great day. And then we got some reactions in the GTI on the GoPro, and we just ripped, had a good time as always, got some good pics. All right. Well, I haven't filmed the intro or anything yet.
But welcome.
But welcome to the cabin, boys. We are in
a different cabin.
We're in a different cabin. I'm out of my element here, boys. We're ripping the STI, and I just like to say, God bless you. God damn, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. This is sick.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm such a little, I'm such a little chubby for STI. This is so sick. Got you.
Yep, all the way back. Boom.
Oh, okay. There comes the camera.
There you go.
Just take it easy and go easy. Oh, the clutch feels so good. Just for everybody who knows, my clutch is on her absolute last life, so this seems very good.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Wicked, bud! Get a clue!
Where the fuck are you from? New Jersey, bud? Or...
You have any clue how much I love STIs. Dude, that was a Honda Fit, bro.
What the fuck? Yeah, give her the sauce.
Oh, yes, sir. We'll go this way. This just sounds so good. Let's go. I'm so excited. Shifter feels so good. It's just different from mine. So mine, like front wheel drive, it has the cable shifter, so it doesn't feel like
the only thing
natural.
So hold on, stay in first, and then bring it up to about 4, and then just step on it. Get ready to fucking shift that. Step on
Oh man, this is sick. Dude, all the Euro boys are gonna be pissed.
They're like, what the hell?
They're just
do a second.
Bikers. Get out of the fucking way, my guy. This guy right before the tunnel too. I like keep thinking like to go to turn the traction control off because mine like it spins every 5 seconds, but we good.
Tunnel boat.
Yes sir. Dude, this is so sick. I'm so hyped.
Okay.
chilling.
It was only a steady, don't worry.
Yeah, we good. He was like, he's like totally on his way home, and he's like,
Yeah, he's just like, this is kind of a tight turn. I don't know if I want to turn around.
He's like, seemed like 45, 50 was a little money through there. Yeah, exactly.
100%. I can definitely feel that you were like trying to with your clutch.
Yeah, no, 100%, dude. Like being a little goob. A little goop noob. Good golly, Miss Molly. Mexico, looking great. I don't know if you guys know, this road right here, best view of Mexico you can get. I saw that mirror and I was like, you just wait there, buddy. I'll keep us clear. Damn, the downshift's really good though.
Yeah, clean downshifts.
Very
That's
good.
one of my favorite things doing in this car is downshifting.
It's just so clean. It's like, it just feels so Dominic Toretto. Did you say family food?
My downshifts are powered by family.
I take my downshifts a quarter mile at a time. It's not about the car, it's about who's driving it.
And the family behind it.
And the family you bring with it. It's been a long day. That's what me and my brother want to do. He's gonna like help me film like a Fast and the Furious spoof, and it's gonna be really funny.
Oh, I can already see it now.
It's gonna be really great. That's what I'm gonna do next on the car channel. YouTube? You guys want to be on YouTube? No, I guess not. A little burn for the boys. Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. Did you call for an Uber?
Oh, STI. Oh, shoot. Yes, sir.
God, I hate that when I like look at like funny TikToks and I forget to.
Alright, well, hopefully we got something on that, because it was kind of like angled funky, so I couldn't really get anybody in it, but
We definitely terrorized some people's days, though.
bro, we went around the green right there, and I definitely heard that one girl go, sheesh!
Broke at least 15 necks.
Oh, what? That's
Collected.
wrapped.
That's nice, dude.
What the?
That's clean.
An AMG wagon, okay?
Hey.
Clear the prop.
Clear the prop.
Oh, she's not. She is not impressed. Neither is he.
Now she's definitely not impressed.
Pissed.
Oh,
That
one
sounded
echoed.
so sick.
That one echoed. Hello, She got off her bike because she didn't want to ride through the tunnel.
God.
Zippy,
Wasn't even looking.
yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you, bro. You think you can modify your car and not wave to me?
To other modified cars.
That's my dad's boss. What's up, bro?
I didn't feel the rotors there.
It's just my clutch, bro. Well, boys, as you can see, we're ending the day off here in a beautiful spot. I've never seen something so beautiful in my life. What the fuck? This is gonna be a spicy TikTok. Shameless plug, if you guys want to follow the boy, go check out the TikTok. Oh. Alrighty, my G's. Almost puked. Wow, that was a good day. Shout out to Cole. Thank you again, brother, for letting me rip the STI. That was a sick time. I've never actually driven a newer STI, so that was super sick. And definitely a good feel for something different to make some assumptions as to like what I'm trying to move into for the next car on the channel. I think we'll end it off here, boys. It was a great day. If you guys are new, don't forget, go hit that subscribe button. Join the family with the bros. We're growing fast, and we don't fuck around. We do shit different, bro. You guys already know. So I hope you guys are actually enjoying the content. I hope you're enjoying the journey that I am on, meeting good people, driving good cars, driving fast cars, driving slow cars, having a good time, man. We are killing it, and we are not slowing down. We're here to fuck shit up. So I think that's all there is to be said. You dig? Alrighty, guys, just keep driving, keep it real. Your boy will catch you in the next one. Peace!